quiet street, big pool, the best schools. Welcome to your forever home. Nestled in a small pocket of orange within the prestigious Villa Park Estates, where you get the address without the price tag and steps from the scenic hiking trails. Renovated kitchen for family dinners, pool parties in the backyard, and weekend walks to Santiago Oaks Regional Park. In a neighborhood this friendly, moving in feels like coming home. Reach out today to make this your forever home.